Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to update your TikTok app to the newest version. Keeping your app updated gives you the latest features, better performance, and improved security. We will walk you through each step so your app stays up to date. Let's get started. On your phone, open the Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on it. Then, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. Go ahead and tap that. Once the menu opens, tap Manage Apps and Device. Inside Manage Apps and Device, tap on Manage. From there, look for TikTok. Scroll down until you find it, then tap on TikTok. Once you're on the TikTok page, tap Update. The app will then start downloading, verifying, and installing the newest version on your phone. Once it is done, you can open your updated TikTok app, and that's it. Your TikTok is now running the latest version. Enjoy all the new features and a smoother experience while scrolling, creating, and sharing videos.